Serbian President Vucic stated that Serbia plans to procure Rafale fighter jets from France. Serbian President Alexander Vucic made a statement to the press at the IDEX 2023 Defense Industry Fair held in the United Arab Emirates. Vucic told the press that they are planning to procure Rafale warplanes. He announced that the expected cost of the purchase will be approximately $3 billion. It is expected that the Rafale warplanes to be purchased will be replaced by the Russian-made MiG-29 warplanes in Serbia's inventory. Within the framework of the donation agreement signed between Belarus and Serbia, Belarus delivered 4 MiG-29 aircraft to Serbia in 2019. In 2021, 2 more MiG-29s were delivered to Serbia. Serbia, which started to have a shortage of spare parts due to the start of the Russia-Ukraine war, started to look for alternative aircraft. Serbia is expected to send a letter of intent to France to start the procurement process of Rafale warplanes, which are expected to replace MiG-29s in the coming years. After the official purchase offer will be made as a result of sending the letter of intent, it will go to the production stage. It is stated that Serbia will receive 12 Rafales with the official offer. After the official proposal to be made, it is aimed to deliver the planes to Serbia from 2028. With the expected purchase, after Croatia and Greece, Serbia will be the third Balkan country to use Rafale fighter jets. French company Dassault Aviation delivered a Rafale B359 F3R in the first month of this year, as a result of an order for 60 aircraft from the French Air and Space Forces in 2009. The deliveries expected to be made to the French Air and Space Forces were divided into 5 different segments. With the order placed, it is aimed to deliver the 4th part and 5th part deliveries in 2023. As a result of the sale of 12 Rafale fighter jets to Greece in 2021, France ordered an additional 12 Rafale F3 Rupees. 12 planes exported to Greece were included in Part 4 orders. Thus, a total of 27 Rafale B359 warplanes will be delivered to the French Air and Space Forces in the 4th part of the delivery.